Welcome to today's review where we'll dive into the CR1620 Remote Key FOB Replacement Bundle by Remote Overstock. If you're a Honda owner, you know the hassle of dealing with a dead key fob battery. But fear not, because this bundle has got you covered with everything you need to keep your Honda secure and functional. Let's talk about what's included in this bundle. First off, you get not one, but two CR1620 remote fob batteries. These are original OEM batteries, so you can trust in their quality and longevity. No need to worry about aftermarket alternatives that may not live up to the standards of your Honda. But it doesn't stop there. You also get a handy opening pry tool to assist with the battery change process. This tool is dual purpose, designed not only to help you open the remote without scratching or damaging it but also to remove the old battery with ease. Say goodbye to expensive service appointments for a simple battery replacement. Now, let's talk compatibility. This bundle is compatible with a range of Honda models from 2013 to 2020, including the Accord, Civic, CR-V, Crosster, and Fit. Whether you have a 3-button or 4-button remote head key, this bundle has you covered. One thing I really appreciate about this product is the step-by-step installation video included. It's accessible via a link on the product packaging, making the battery replacement process even easier, especially for those who may be new to DIY car maintenance. In terms of build quality, the Remote Overstock CR1620 replacement bundle doesn't disappoint. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the lightweight construction won't add unnecessary bulk to your keychain. Overall, if you're tired of dealing with dead key fob batteries and costly service appointments, the CR1620 replacement bundle by Remote Overstock is a must-have for any Honda owner. With OEM batteries, a handy opening tool, and compatibility with a range of models, it's a no-brainer for keeping your Honda secure and functional. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.